Don't let the moment be too big for you to make a play. Let's lean on each other. Let's play hard. Let's play smart. And most of all, let's dominate, man. Dominate on three. 1, 2, 3. Dominate. It's time right now to take the next step towards greatness. It's time right now to create another defining moment for this team. Now let's go get our respect again. And let's go beat this team again. Let's go get this win, baby. Win on 3, 1, 2, 3, win.
I feel like taking a shot with Teddy's play. We'll score a touchdown here.
Here's Breeze stepping up, delivering down the middle, and it's going to be Ted Ginn in his hands, and Ted Ginn will go all the way. The former Carolina Panther takes it in stride and has the touchdown.
You come back and you haunt him. You haunt him.
Hill goes in motion, run it with the fullback, and Zach Klein is in for the touchdown. And the Saints add to a very impressive performance, taking a 21-6 lead.
I just sat down and watched Tennessee Titans do this just last night. They was down 21-3 at the half. Came back and won.
Panthers have been held out of the end zone through 3 quarters.
Newton's going to throw the ball. Fastball over the middle. Caught Olsen. Touchdown! Now the Saints can see Carolina in the rearview mirror. 12:47 to play. It is now Saints 24, Panthers 19.
Breeze is going to throw downfield, and he's got a wide open receiver. This is going to be Michael Thomas fighting his way inside the 5-yard line. First and goal, Saints.
It's my touchdown play.
Kamara's the running back, right side, and he's in for the touchdown. Saints look to be in control of this thing.
That's the guy who's covering you, right? You just got to get up onto him. Square him up. Square him up, stick him, and go by.
31-19 Saints. Cam Newton crossing route complete. 50-yard line. McCaffrey off to the races.
These Carolina Panthers are not dead. That's the big play that you needed.
We're not looking at the scoreboard. We said we're not looking at the scoreboard. We said we're not looking at the scoreboard.
3rd and 2 from the 47-yard line of the Panthers.
What do you do after this 4th down?
This would be huge to convert here. Run it right side with Kamara, and he's going to be swarmed over and dropped.
Hell yeah. Yeah, boy. You already know what it is.
The offense remains out there for the Saints. Could you possibly see them going for this on 4th and 2?
We'll win the game with a conversion here, boys. What would be the pass here to win the game?
With the line out there? Probably going to try to get us to jump and then call timeout or take a delay so they have more room to punt.
I could take a timeout, Drew, and I might go for it.
They put Ginn in motion. The running back is Ingram, and Breeze calls timeout.
I know y'all wasn't that cocky. I know y'all wasn't that cocky. Do I punt or go for it? Punt or go for it?
We get it, we win. You got a play you like?
Yeah, I got a play I like.
Hey, they going for it, bro. Good. Let's go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. DJ.
Don't wiggle again.
Yeah. Hey, can they call timeout right here? No. Hey, they going for it. They cannot call timeout.
They're sending an offense back out there.
Well, if he's got the guts to try an onside kick at the start of the second half of the Super Bowl, maybe he's got the guts to go for it here. They're going to go. 4th down and 2.
Well, the gamble does not work, and the Saints with a 5-point lead turn it over.
We're going to win this game, yo. We're going to win this game.
This is nerve-wracking right here.
11 seconds to go in a wild card playoff game, and it comes down to this.
4th and 23 from the 34. Here's Newton under pressure. As hard as it might be to beat a team 3 times in a season, the Saints have done it over against their NFC South rivals, the Carolina Panthers.